Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grafana with AI dashboards for observability automation step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have Grafana installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt to check if Grafana is running. Navigate to Grafana's web interface, typically found at http://localhost 3000. Log in using the default credentials, which are admin for both the username and password. Change the default password upon first login as prompted. Now, set up your data source. Click on the gear icon in the left sidebar to access the configuration menu. Select Data Sources from the options available. Choose the appropriate data source type that matches your needs. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary connection details. Test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Next, it's time to create a new dashboard. Click on the plus icon in the left sidebar and select Dashboard. Add a new panel by clicking on Add Panel. In the panel settings, use the query editor to build the queries necessary for your dashboard's visualization. Choose the visualization type that best represents your data, such as graphs or tables. Customize the panel by adjusting the settings for titles, axes, and legends. Repeat this process to add more panels to your dashboard as needed. Once you have added all desired panels, organize them for optimal viewing. You can drag and drop panels to rearrange their order. Save your dashboard by clicking on the Save icon at the top of the page. Provide a name and folder location for easy access later. Now, incorporate AI for observability automation. Install any necessary plugins that integrate AI capabilities with Grafana. Access the Plugins section from the Configuration menu. Search for and install AI-focused plugins like Grafana Machine Learning. Once installed, return to your dashboard. Add a new panel for AI insights by selecting the installed AI data source. Utilize machine learning models to predict trends or anomalies in your data. Adjust your queries and settings to tap into the intelligence of AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.